Well, there are 3 judges vying for a seat in the Arkansas Supreme Court. The vote is now less than a week away. Now, one of them is the current Supreme Court Justice, Courtney Goodson. She is in a legal fight to get an attack ad that she claims is untrue off TV. Tonight, she's talking with me about it.
Justice Courtney Goodson has been taking gifts and big money from donors for years.
The Judicial Crisis Network is a conservative group out of Washington, D.C. They put the ad together and paid to have it air on TV stations in Arkansas.
I'm going to stand up to these faceless bullies and say enough is enough.
In a lawsuit filed Monday, Goodson claims the Judicial Crisis Network ad is false, misleading, and defamatory.
Misleading statements, lies, half-truths are not tolerated in the courtroom, and they have no place.
But instead of suing the Judicial Crisis Network, which produced and paid for the ad, Goodson and her campaign sued a handful of TV stations in Arkansas to stop them from airing political ads. 4029 and its parent company were not named in the lawsuit. Fayetteville Circuit Judge Doug Martin ordered the TV stations named in the suit to stop airing the Judicial Crisis Network's ads on Goodson. This afternoon, the ACLU of Arkansas issued a statement calling his decision to ban the ads on some TV stations unconstitutional. We also asked Goodson about her friendship with Judge Martin.
I know Judge Martin well. Arkansas is a small state, and there are a few judges that I don't know.
According to Judge Martin's financial interest report in 2017, his wife was paid at least $12,500 by Goodson's husband's law firm for work she did.
The fact that there is a business relationship that exists is not a secret. So I am confident that Judge Martin will do the right thing.
Well, late this afternoon, the Goodson campaign filed a motion to have another judge assigned to this case soon after Judge Martin did remove himself from hearing that lawsuit. That hearing that was set for tomorrow has now been delayed, but Martin says the temporary restraining order on the ads still stands. The other 2 candidates in the nonpartisan judicial race are appeals court judge Kenneth Hickson and David Sterling, who's the chief counsel for Arkansas Department of Human Services. We reached out to both of them today for a comment. We have not heard back from Sterling yet, but Judge Hickson, who's also been a target of an ad by the Judicial Crisis Network, gave us this statement. He said that he will not file a lawsuit, saying that he will, quote, leave it to the people of Arkansas to look through this nonsense to decide the issue on Election Day. He says, I have faith in the people. And here's more information on what the ACLU of Arkansas is saying about these ads and the judge's decision. The executive director said, quote, the remedy for false speech is more speech, and in this case, sunshine. Speech that expressly attacks or supports the election of a candidate for judicial office can and should be subject to financial disclosure requirements.